Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Kristy-Lea and I am the founder of Pattern of Growth Online Business Support Community. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to go live from Zoom to Facebook in 5 easy steps. Going live this way makes it easier to go live in multiple places all at once from a single platform. You'll be able to go live to your Facebook business page, your Facebook group, and even an event all at once. This option is going to also allow you to record a really good copy of your video outside of the Facebook platform. I don't know about you, but there is nothing more annoying to me than a glitchy Facebook video. Blah. Not to mention what happens if your Facebook video does not save. Then you've lost all of that content. So it's a really great idea to create a backup, and this is the easy way in which to do that. Once you learn this method, you'll never want to live stream to Facebook any other way. So let's dive into the step-by-step, and I'm going to share my screen with you so you can walk along with me and see exactly how to do this. So you should be seeing my screen here, and I'm going to go ahead and enter into full screen, and you will be able to see it in full screen. So the very first thing we're going to talk about is how to use Zoom to go live on Facebook. And the very first step in doing this is to go ahead and click Settings and then in Meeting Advanced. The next thing that you're going to do is scroll all the way down till you see this little guy here. You're going to make sure it's toggled on and then choose whichever ones you want to have turned on. You don't have to have all of them turned on. You can just choose whichever one you want. The next thing you're going to do is head all the way back up so you can see your meetings. You're going to either schedule a new meeting or go into your meeting room you already have. Once in that meeting room, you're going to wave hello and make sure your camera is working. You're going to turn on your video and turn on your mic. So you make sure that happens. Then you're going to navigate over to here to the More button. And then you're going to go ahead and choose Live on Facebook. You can also choose to go live on Facebook Workplace or live on YouTube. But for this video, we're just going to focus on going live on Facebook. The next thing you're going to do is go ahead on this screen, share whichever screen you want. I recommend sharing on the page that you manage because inside of here, we're going to be able to share from as well into events and also into our group. Once you've got that, click Next. And then Facebook's going to do its little magic marker working bee type stuff. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to start to compile everything it needs in the background to make sure that you can go live on Facebook. This takes a few seconds, but while this is working, you can go ahead and grab your title, your intro sentence or paragraph, and your 3 bullet points about what you're going to be sharing in your Facebook Live video. Then what you're going to do is you're going to paste that over here inside of this section here. You will also add your title, and you'll see Facebook is going to go ahead and fetch your video over here. So your video will start to show as well, and you'll see me pop up there again. And then you're going to add tags. You're going to want to make sure that you add tags that are relevant to your audience. If you don't know what that is, you can go ahead and click this little eyeball here, and it will allow you to see some information about that. Then you can see here where it says share to your groups. You're going to go ahead and click there inside of that box. Once you click inside that box, you're going to start to type your group name. Now, if you are sharing this into an event, you will also see that the events tab will pull up here as well, and you'll be able to share that to an event as well. The last thing you need to do to go live is hit that go live button down in the right hand corner, and you will have made yourself go live. So that's pretty much it. You have now got everything you need to go live from Zoom into Facebook. So now that you can use Zoom to go live to your page and your group and your events, you can use this option instead of going live direct from Facebook. It's going to allow you to choose a couple of options, choose one option if you so wish, And also, if you hit that record button on your Zoom screen, you're going to create a backup video that you can use in your other social media if you so choose. And I personally upload these into YouTube. So what kind of video content do you want to create now that you know how to use Zoom to go live in your Facebook group, page, or event? Share with me below exactly what you're going to do with the skills you've learned in this video.